thank you. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
Hello, my students! Good morning! Welcome to your English class. I am Daniela, your English teacher. I am very well and happy to be with you today. Okay, my students, let's start. Today we are going to learn a new farm animal. Hoy vamos a aprender un nuevo animal de la granja, el cual es... Listen, please, listen.
A goose.
A goose. Repeat.
A goose.
A goose. Repeat.
A goose.
A goose. Very good. Ganso. En inglés se dice
A goose.
a goose. Very good. Yes, my student. The new farm animal is goose. Ganso, goose. Ok, repasemos rápidamente los animales de la granja. This is a horse. Caballo se dice horse.
A horse.
A horse.
A horse.
A horse. Very good. This is a goat.
A goat.
A goat. A goat. Goat es cabra en inglés. A goat. Continue.
A chicken.
A chicken.
A chicken.
A chicken.
A chicken.
A chicken. Pollito chicken. Listen.
A sheep.
A sheep.
A sheep.
A sheep. Oveja en inglés se dice sheep.
A sheep.
Very good. Cow.
A cow.
A cow.
A cow.
Very good. This is a cow. Vaca en inglés se dice cow. Continue. ¿Y el nuevo animal que aprendimos?
A goose.
Goose.
A goose.
A goose.
A goose.
A goose. Excellent, my student. And now we are going to see a new video about the goose. Okay, pay attention. Vamos a ver un video acerca de gansos. Esta es la historia del ganso que ponía huevos de oro. Pay attention, my students.
Dear, I'm really hungry. What's for lunch?
Come, Tofu. Mom has made your favorite meal today.
My favorite. Yum! Oh dear, something got stuck in my throat.
How many times have I told you not to eat in such a hurry?
But I was hungry, dear.
You need to listen to this story. The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a poor farmer with his wife. They had nothing but a little farm where they grew vegetables that they could eat. However, he managed to save a little money each time he sold vegetables from his farm. Eventually, he saved up enough money to buy a goose. He took it home and made a nest for it to lay eggs. The goose will produce eggs which he could use for selling, eating, and making bread, thought the farmer. The next morning, when he went to gather some eggs for his breakfast, he lifted the goose, and to his surprise, the goose had laid a golden egg. The next morning, he found another egg, and the next, and the next. Slowly and steadily, the farmer and his wife were becoming richer and richer. Just think, if we could have all the golden eggs that are inside the goose, we could be richer much faster.
You're right. We wouldn't have to wait for the goose to lay her egg every day.
So the couple killed the goose and cut her open. Only to find that she was just like every other goose. She had no golden eggs inside of her at all, and they had no more golden eggs. Alas, now the farmer and his wife had lost the goose, and they would never get any golden eggs again. So Tofu, just like the couple suffered because they were greedy, you should be careful too, because too much greed always leads to great loss.
Oh, got it, Tia. I'll be careful next time.
Very good, my student. Remember, the new farm animal is goose.
A goose.
Goose. Very good, my students. Okay, my students, it's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 goodbye bye bye.